This is not a sponsored video, but there are affiliate links in the description. So if you end up buying one of these items, please support Top 5 e-bikes by using the affiliate links in the description. Thanks. Hi, this is Omar at Top 5 e-bikes. Wanted to give you a quick video here on some accessories that I've added to the Ride1up 500 series. And kind of give you my thoughts and what I liked, what I didn't like about some of these two accessories that I added. So I'll start off with the mirrors. So I actually bought these two mirrors that you can add to your bike. I like them because of the look. Number one, because most of them are round out there. But then I also like that obviously you can move them and whatnot. I have mirrors on a couple of my other bikes, but so I already knew what type of style I liked. So I ordered these. One thing you'll have to do with this particular bike is you'll probably have to change the LCD or move the LCD screen. And I had to just unscrew it, move it a little bit, and it actually fit perfectly. So you can fit the mirror and then you can fit your LCD screen there, and there's no issue with obviously like pushing down the throttle and changing the pedal assist and turning the bike on and whatnot. So that seemed to be okay. On the right side, it's a little bit more of an issue because you obviously have the shifter here, and so you can't move the shifter. I actually don't use the right hand side mirror too much, so it wasn't too much of an issue for me. But anyways, just wanted to notate that. They're kind of cool looking mirrors too. They actually go with this particular bike just because of the style. So you notice that here. But again, I like these just because they weren't round. They move a lot, so you can kind of adjust them easily. And they were easy to install. It took me like 2 minutes to install these. And they were $25 for the two of them. So they do sell them separately. So if you just wanted one or the other, you could easily order those. By the way, in case you're wondering, this is an attachment that I use to add an infant seat to this bike. So it's a infant front-facing seat that goes in this part of the bike. The other item that I added that I don't like is this rack. So I bought this rack from Amazon. It was $37, and we'll link it in the description. There's a couple of reasons why I didn't like the rack. First of all, it took a really long time to put together. So it probably took me about 30 to 40 minutes to put this rack together. There's a lot of pieces to it. So I think that part of it I didn't like. Obviously, it wasn't enjoyable to put together this rack. The other piece of it, and this is probably this is the biggest reason why I'm not going to end up using this rack, is I just don't trust that it could hold the weight that it says it does. So it's rated for something like 180 pounds. There's no way that this rack can actually hold 180 pounds. Maybe 50 potentially, I don't know, but I'm not going to risk using this rack. And when I say risk, the reason why I have a rack is to put my 2.5-year-old daughter on there. So I need to make sure that it can hold the weight that it's rated for. So I'm not going to actually use this rack. I'm going to return it. I came to our garage actually to take it off so I could return it to Amazon. And I'm looking for another rack currently. But yeah, this rack might be okay for beer. I mean, I'd be confident in picking up a 12-pack or a 30-pack and putting it on there, some groceries. But I'm not so sure that it would carry a kid, or at least 50-pound kid or 40-pound kid. So that's a rack. We'll link it just so you could see which rack I'm talking about. We'll also link the mirrors, so you could see which mirrors I use. And these are actually pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with the mirrors. But yeah, just wanted to share that with you. We'll probably be hitting you with short videos whenever we add any accessories to a bike, so that way you're aware of what we used in case you want to use the same things. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this review, please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment. Visit us at top5ebikes.com or some of our social media accounts. Thank you.